So this one is a quick video on the GPT called Escape the Haunt, and we will take a look here. So we'll start with ready to begin your eerie adventure. So it seems like I'm in a haunted hotel of sorts, and I have 100 health, and I don't really have any gear. And so it says, what do you want to do? So we can investigate the desk. And so you can see it generated this image. I really like how the creator of this GPT is integrating images into the flow of this. And again, it prompts me to, these are some of the options that I can do. So we'll take the lantern and the matches. Again, another image. I also like the style of this image. I feel like it fits this game very well. And then another thing I noticed is right here at the bottom, you see there's a new version of GPT available. So I had opened this last night in preparation of doing this today, but I guess between then and now. So I'm going to continue using this one, but it'll be interesting to see what the newest version has as well. And again, it gives me some options here. So we can do, let's see what's going on in this top draw. And so it's going to create another image. And again, this is a pretty cool image. I'm curious how they've set this up. They are consistently having the same style, but I think they've done a very good job on this one. And so we can see what the next steps are here. And here it's talking about this symbol and a place that's not mentioned on the map. So let's see if we can find this hidden chamber. And so we get this another image here. And I feel like the basement is always the kind of place you want to go to when you're in a haunted place. So we'll do that one. Again, it's going to generate an image. It would be really cool if there was a way to say, I'd like to play this game with or without images, or if there was a way to limit the amount of images just because it's very time consuming. Ah, and this one we get two images. And these don't quite fit the same style. This is a little bit brighter, a little, I don't know. It's still kind of creepy though. So cool on this one. And let's see what else we got going on. So there's a bunch of stuff, and we're going to look for the mysterious symbol. And so let's look at the furniture and see what's going on there. So here we go. We're looking at the furniture. It looks like there's a mirror over here. Looks like there's sand all over the floor. Interesting. And let's continue to look at this mirror and see what else we got going on here. There we go. As we look into the mirror, it looks like there's some sort of city on the other side of it. And the surface appears almost liquid, inviting you to touch it, hinting at hidden mechanisms or magical properties. So probably I've seen a lot of movies. Probably we shouldn't touch this thing, but we're going to go for it anyway. And this one, it's interesting that it actually puts text into the image, but the text is a little wonky. So it's an interesting choice. I don't know that I would have chosen to have any sort of text coming on my images given the state of text on images, though I know that's changing dramatically now, but I haven't seen any announcements of GPT-4 or DALL-E getting really good with text. But considering this one looks pretty solid. So I'm gonna stop this video here, but this was just to see what this Escape the Haunt GPT looks like. I think they did a pretty good job on this. And while, this doesn't have any business applications per se, I think there is a way to apply it. I once had considered using a game as some sort of onboarding process. So this, can translate, but glad we got to see what this one looks like.